So that's it for the bank transaction. Receipt. So our sundry debtors have paid us for something they bought from us. So maybe they pay us 40,000 naira. You can post it. Likewise, that particular transaction needs to be authorized. You go to cash, so it needs to be authorized before it is now posted directly to the GL. So this is the posting I just did, sundry debtors. You see all the necessary account names, and you look at it that everything is proper. The total is equal to the total of the credit is equal to total of the debit. So that is good for posting. If I want to approve it, I approve it and I post to the GL. So that is it. Now you can do bank transfer, interbank transfer from one bank to another. I'm transferring from SMB to GTB. So the amount is 40,000, the date, and you post. Very easy to use accounting software. So our petty cash, you can look at your petty cash expense, view the ledger. Petty cash reimbursement can be handled through this. Petty cash expense, similar to our posting, our main cash posting, whatever petty cash expense you've suffered, you can just click it here. For example, we have transport. Put the reference number and expense it. Submit. Now that goes to our authorized posting, petty cash. You have to authorize it. So this is what we just posted under petty cash. You view it. That is it. You check if it's okay. Then you approve and post. So if it's not posted, it shows the red sign that not posted. It is pending. You can edit it. But once you post it, once you authorize it, you can no longer edit after authorization has been given. You can only post. So next item is our journal. We have two types of journal here. We have the debit credit journal, standard journal. Then we have the composite journal. So I'll click it. This is the credit debit. Debit land, credit cash, purchase of land. You have the reference. If this interface is too small, you can click here and it will expand. It can contain 1 billion to 1 trillion figure amount. So that is it. That's our journal. You click it. The next item is still on journal. We have our journal B, which is our composite journal. So for our composite journal, we'll do the same transaction, purchase of land. You want to debit. Put the date. Next item, cash. purchase of land, credit. So that is it. So this is the difference between the two journals. The next item is our account receivable. You can view customer ledger to know their various balances. You can add a new customer. You can add new sales. So I'm going to do sales transaction now by clicking. Now, for our sales transaction, you can determine if the sales you're making is on credit, or you receive cash, or you receive check through any of these bank accounts. So I'm going to do receive cash. Select the date. I'm going to use a reference I have with me, although the software is going to generate its own automatic reference. You can use that if you don't want to use another one. So the stock, you see the balance of the stock. You say stock 2002. So you will know, it gives you the idea of how much stock is remaining in your inventory. 7,000, that's the unit price. 70,000, 7,000, that's the unit price. Then you can give a discount. Your VAT is captured. Select another product, complete uniform. You have 7,000 in stock. So does it come with VAT? Yes. Unit price 6,000. No discount. The last item, blouse, you're selling 300. This one has no VAT. We are assuming that it has no VAT and it has discount. So you can post this and it will generate an automatic invoice for you. You can look at the invoice. You can see all the things that have been calculated for the unit price, the total price, the discount, the net price, the VAT payable, the net VAT, and the total. Now, because we selected paid, you can see that the total due is 0, right? So you can print this. You can print your receipt here. But let's assume we want to make a credit sales under our account receivable. You go to account receivable. This time around, I'm going to make a credit sales. I'm going to use the default reference number. I'm going to select only one product. Now you have to understand that what we're doing is not hitting the GL directly. It needs to first of all be verified before it hits the GL. That's why the stock level has not reduced. So I'm going to click submit. And as you can see, in this particular invoice, you can see that we now have a balance because we said it's a credit sales. No payment is made. So that is it. If we go to authorized posting, authorized sales, you can see these are the sales we just done. This is the second one. You can see it. It is balanced. If it's okay, all the various ledgers that are involved in these particular transactions have been brought together, so you can view what the software wants to do before you click post. So I'm going to check this. and authorize it. It's on pending. I'm going to put it on approval, authorize, and I'm going to now post. So that's been posted. All these other ones that are pending, since the status is pending, if you click not posted, it will not post anything for you. You have to authorize it first, approve it first. And once you approve it, the name of the person that approved will appear here. You can see posted by this person, status approved by the same person. So this is like an audit trail to tell you who authorized, who posted. So if we go back to sales, hard sales, now you can see that the stock level has reduced because what we posted has hit the GL finally. So the next one is our account payable. You can view supplier's ledger, add supplier, add purchases. You can list. You can view your purchase journal list. So these are all the purchases we've made. We can view all the various invoices. So we are owing 76 million to this supplier. It has not been paid. You can pay online or you can post cash payments that you've done. And just show the details. Very easy to use software. Select your bank you're making the payment from and the amount you're paying and click post. Whatever you pay will reduce the unpaid amount. This is our unpaid, yeah. We have 39,600,000. So I'm going to post that 30 million has been received. Through our GTB bank account. We received 30 million. To generate an automatic receipt for you that you can print. Let's close that. So as you can see, that 30 million I just posted has been posted as paid, and this is the balance due. So this helps you to monitor your payables and your receivable.